The ice cream shop sells the following ice cream cones: single for $2.49, double for $3.29, triple for $3.99. One day, Dan sold 52 ice cream cones. The number of doubles he sold was two more than twice the number of triples. If he sold $165.18 in cones, how many of each size did he sell? Okay, so the question we're trying to answer is how many of each size. So I'm going to put X for single, Y for double, and Z for triple. It's called defining the variables. Now I'm going to write some equations based on the given information. Now the first one I'm going to do is for the total amount of money earned. $165.18, and I know the price of each item, so I can put 2.49x plus 3.29y plus 3.99z is 165.18. That's my sales for the day. Now the next one I'm going to do is the total number of ice cream cones sold. That was 52. So I know X, which is the number of singles sold, plus Y, which is the number of doubles sold, plus Z, which is the number of triples sold, is equal to 52. So that's the number that were sold. Okay, now the third equation is a little bit more tricky. The number of doubles sold was two more than twice the number of triples sold. So the doubles, which is Y, equals two more than twice the number of triples. So the number of triples is Z, so it's 2 times Z plus 2, because it's two more than twice the number of triples. So if the number of triples is Z, two more than twice, you double, then add 2. Okay, so here are the equations. Now what we need to do is we need to solve the system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as an augmented matrix, and then we're going to go ahead and solve it by using the calculator. Now, the first thing that's a little tricky is this third equation. I'm going to rewrite it. It's going to be y minus 2z equals 2. I just subtracted 2z from both sides. Now it's ready for an augmented matrix. So equation 1, 2.49, and then 3.29, 3.99, then a bar to separate, and then 165.18. Next equation, 1, 1, 1, and then 52. Third equation is 0, 1, negative 2, and then 2. Okay, that is our augmented matrix. Now we just need to enter it in the calculator, put it in reduced row echelon form, and we'll find out how many of each ice cream cones were sold. So I'm going to go second matrix, then over to edit. And there's a 3 by 4 in here. That's fine because this is still a 3 by 4. Okay, so 2.49, 3.29, 3.99, and then 165.18. That's the first equation. Second one is 1, 1, 1, and then 52 for the second equation over the second row. And we have 0, 1, negative 2, 2. Okay, and you always want to double check these entries, make sure you enter them in correctly. So I'm going to quit out of here, second quit. Then we go into the matrix menu again. This time we're going to go under math and scroll to reduced row echelon form. Enter, and then second matrix again. On the names menu, I'm going to call matrix 1, enter. And here we have reduced row echelon form. It's all solved out. So x is 17, y is 24, z is 11. Okay, now that is not the answer to the question. That's a solution to the system of equations that leads to the answering the question. So it was 17 singles, 24 doubles, and 11 triples. Okay, so that is how you can use an augmented matrix to solve a system of linear equations based on a word problem or story problem. And you can see how that reduced row echelon form calculation on the calculator makes it a lot easier. You need to make sure you write your equations carefully, because without the right equations, this isn't going to work for you.